This is the Fenix TK35R with 5800 lumens from 4 luminous SFT25R LEDs. In the middle there is another SST08 UV LED with 3 watts and 365 nanometer wavelength. The white light has a reach of 610 meters and an intensity of 93,000 candela. The controls are located at the tail of the light. With a selector switch you can activate white light or UV light. The middle position locks the light. Let's listen to the clicking noise. A battery indicator is integrated in the mode switch. Press the main switch to turn on the light. Toggle the light modes with the mode switch. There are 5 light modes: Eco 30 lumens, Low 350 lumens, Med 800 lumens, High 2000 lumens, Burst 5800 lumens, but only short term. Mode switch also activates strobe. In UV mode there are also 2 light modes with 3 watts and 1.5 watts. 365 nanometer wavelength allows to check security features on money or documents. TK35R uses 2 18650 batteries with 4000 mAh. The USB-C charging port is located under this cover, which can slide up. It supports power delivery with up to 27 watts. This allows fast charging in about 2 hours. But for fast charging you will need a power adapter that also supports power delivery. If you are left-handed, this info is relevant for you. The lamp is designed so that you can reach the switches with your thumb. Also the selector switch down here. As a left-hander, you now have to reach over this clip. This doesn't feel uncomfortable, but is of course not quite as smooth as on the other side. The clip can be taken off by unscrewing, but on the opposite side there is no possibility to fit it in. If you enjoyed the video so far, please help to grow the channel by subscribing. Thank you.